Wednesday. Sponsored by Clark's Nutrition, Natural Foods Market. Live better. We can help.
May is Women's Health Month, and today we're at Clark's Nutrition with Starkey Sowers talking about that nasty little infection, UTIs.
UTI.
And antibiotics don't always have to be the first form of defense.
Yeah, it's funny. I mean, I told my wife I was going to use her because she just recently had one. So I'm going to talk about it. She goes, you should.
Yeah.
All right. So first thing we do, obviously, is grab the cranberry juice like everybody else.
Yes.
So, but the bottom line is there's a lot of other different forms. Remember, too, though, when it comes to UTI, they can be serious. So if you start getting fever, different things like that, it's time to go to the doctor.
I feel like the most important thing is to catch it early and know the signs and symptoms.
Yes.
I usually go straight to this aisle and I grab cranberry juice, cranberry capsules, and I take like 20 of them, and then it's
just start eating them all day long.
Just eat them all day long throughout the day. I don't think you can overdose on this, can you?
It'd be very difficult to do because it's just a concentrated.
Yeah, I'll pretty much take the whole bottle.
It might make you urinate a little bit more frequently, but that's part of the plan, right?
Yeah. So you like this one. Solray is a great company.
The first company to actually come out with a product that actually was clinically tested for UTIs.
Great.
So a lot of companies have followed suit, since then. But what cranberry does is it literally paralyzes the little claws on the bacteria, so they can't like stick to the walls and continue to infect the area.
Got it.
But if that doesn't work, what we're going to do is we're going to add to it some D-mannose sugar, right? A lot of times people have been using the D-mannose either separately or in a formula. D-mannose, the bacteria eat it as a sugar and then basically are so satisfied that they don't want to claw onto the walls, and then it passes through, prevents infection.
And one of these actually has, this one has this in it, right?
Gotta be one of my favorite ones. D-mannose, as well as the cranberry extract, as well as other different classic herbs that were used for yours. Okay, so I'm going to actually pull this out, Mary. We're going to end with this. You ready for this?
Yes.
You're getting scared?
I am. Oh no, he always does this to me. Last time it was cayenne pepper on TV.
So this is ginger.
Always so fun.
Ginger, Mary, a drop. Don't do more than a drop.
Okay, one drop.
So one of the herbs that has classically been used for years for UTIs is called marshmallow. And marshmallow soothes irritated mucus membranes. Moly, right? Yes.
Oh, that's like a shot of whiskey.
Yeah, it's worse, right? So now what I'm going to ask you to do,
it is worse.
I'm going to actually take some of this marshmallow root, and what we're going to do is put it on top of the tongue, kind of do a lot of it, kind of swirl it around. What you'll notice within about a few seconds, the burning irritation is gone.
Whoa, it is
Isn't that
gone.
crazy?
That's like drinking a glass of milk.
One of the common herbs used for UTIs, urinary tract infections, soothes irritated mucous membranes. They even use it for lungs, like bronchial spasms, stuff like that. Marshmallow is amazing, and it's in the Urinex formula.
So can you actually enjoy eating the giant marshmallows, or is this better?
Well, it depends. The giant marshmallows definitely taste better.
They taste a lot better. Actually, this doesn't taste too bad.
It's not too bad.
That is shocking. This test was incredible. This ginger was so spicy.
Oh, it's so spicy.
And instantly I put this on my tongue and it cools it down.
Yeah.
And you use this for what?
So the biggest thing one time that happened with me, I ended up with a kidney stone, right? And so it passed and everything like that. The urethra was constantly still irritating and spasming. I thought, you know what, let me grab some marshmallow. Within an hour, it was done.
Feeling better. Isn't that amazing? Herbs are just
and it does.
incredible.
Mucous membranes all internally as well as externally. Marshmallow is like a godsend for it.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're such a plethora of information. Thank you, Starkey. I appreciate you. And you'll be taking this back.
Yeah, I think so.
We'll be right back.